this is Kaur from English Asan, and today I'm going to tell you how can you use Pinterest for improving your English and how can you use Pinterest for being fluent. So let's get started our video without squandering our single minute of time. So firstly, what you have to do, you just have to download or install Pinterest. Then you have to sign in on that, like you have to sign up by your Google ID, okay, or mail ID. Then what you have to do, just simply search on Pinterest, like you could simply search that please give me pictures for describing in English, and you will get a lot of pictures over there for describing. And what you have to do, you just have to name the objects which are in the picture. Okay, firstly name the objects which are like in the picture, and then try to make sentences by the use of those objects. Okay, for example, here you can see it on the screen. Okay, you can see it on the screen that there is a one picture. I got this picture from Pinterest, and now what we will do, we will practice by the use of this picture. So let's get started. So here you can see, okay, you can see here. Okay, so there are some characters firstly. Okay, Thomas, Jay, Nancy, Sam, Jake, Luca, Jisoo, Subin, Sophie, Rose, Kai, Lily, Mark, Jin, and Dane. So there are many characters in this, and they are doing something, like they are doing some kind of work here. Okay, they are doing some kind of work, as you can see here. Okay, you can see also on the screen. So now there is also one big park. Okay, park. So firstly we have one object, park, then tennis court, then there is also one little car, okay, for cutting the grass, and then there is also one ball, and then there is also kite, food, ducks, water, boat, and grass, flowers. So yeah, there are many kind of like objects. Now what we will do, we will make sentences by the use of these objects. Okay, by the names of these objects. Firstly, now we will choose two characters, Sam and Jake. What they are doing, Sam and Jake are playing tennis in the tennis court. Okay, and Luca is listening to the music. Thomas is cutting the grass. Jay is going upwards on the hill. Jay and Nancy. Jisoo and Sophie are picking the flowers. And then Kai is feeding the ducks, and ducks are having meal. Rose, Lily, Mark are having meal together. Jin and Dane are flying the kite. So this is how we made sentences by the use of naming the objects and also characters. Okay, we already know what the characters are here, and we made sentences by the use of this. So this is how you can make sentences. You can know how to describe something in English in a very good way. Firstly, name the objects, then try to make sentences by names of those objects. That's all for today. Thank you. If you have learned something from this video, then like it, subscribe my channel and share it. Thank you.